Hi there, today we're going to go through the setup process of the Pervidi solution. Today, we'll be going through how to activate the Pervidi solution on an Android smartphone or tablet. So please have your device ready. We'll start off by heading to the Google Play Store on your smartphone or tablet device. Once inside, head to the app search and type Pervidi. When you've found this app, shown on screen here, hit the install button. When that's downloaded, open the application. Next, we'll need to complete some configuration steps to get you all set up. First, we need to send a request to activate. You'll need your details for this. When you've entered all the details like has been done here, press submit. Now that you've submitted your details, we need to wait for your login username. This is when we make sure everything is set up and ready to go from our end, in order to get you inspecting. We try to attend to these as quickly as possible, but it may be a little while before these come through. Once you receive your login details, you're ready to go ahead and log in. That's it. Hopefully that all worked for you, and you'll soon be able to get inspecting with your new digital solution. If you have any queries, feel free to reach out to your solutions consultant, or contact us via the details on screen.